Another day, another dollar. I'm so over this 9 to 5 grind. Oh, hey, Mikey. What's up? Not much. Just daydreaming about quitting my job to become a full-time content creator. Whoa, that's a big move. But before you take any advice from Bro Science Steve over there, let me give you some tips and tricks I wish I knew when I first started.
Oh, what's up, boys? Talking about quitting your job, Mikey? Don't worry, just start posting shirtless gym pics and you'll be swimming in cash. Trust me, bro.
See why you need my advice? Stay tuned for this video and I'll explain everything you need to know about content creation. What's going on? It's your boy, Lewis Hoffa Show. You know how we do. And today we're going to be talking about the secrets to content creation that I wish I knew sooner. I mean, come on, who doesn't want to get paid just for being themselves? That's the dream, am I right? You're missing out on more dough than a bakery on a Sunday morning. So let me set up the scene for you. Picture me now working my boring 9 to 5 and pretending to be someone that I'm not just to pay the bills. But then I recently had this epiphany, a light bulb moment, if you will. I realized I wanted to wake up every day and just be me and get paid for it too. And that's the goal. A year from now, I will be here making more money than ever before, just by being myself. So join me and let me tell you how you can do the same. That's what I call working smarter and not harder. Or as I like to say, it's time to ditch the student tie and embrace the sweatpants and ponytail. First off, forget about trying to fit into a niche. You don't need to just talk about one topic anymore. People want to see the real you, flaws and all. So think about your own personal journey and how you can better yourself. Maybe it's by hitting the gym or doing more cardio. Following the shreds for all your fitness needs. Heck, maybe it's just journaling every day. That's right, I said journaling. It's not just for middle schoolers anymore, people. It's a great way to reflect on your thoughts and get some ideas for content too. Who would have thought that scribbling your inner thoughts on a piece of paper can lead to fame and fortune? Well, sign me up for the next journaling competition. But don't just journal in your own little bubble. Share your journey with others. Post it on social media, make videos, whatever floats your boat. And don't feel like you have to be perfect or feel like you have to have everything figured out. We're all a work in progress, and people want to see the real you, imperfections and all.
Remember, nobody's perfect. Except for me, of course. But for the rest of you, embrace your flaws and share them with the world.
Now, here's the tough part. Dealing with those pesky negative thoughts and beliefs that hold you back. You know, the ones that make you doubt yourself and wonder if anybody even cares about what you have to say. Trust me, we've all been there. But the key is to face those fears head on and push through them. And if you're feeling stuck, just remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community out there going through the same thing as you.
Yeah, negative thoughts are like annoying mosquitoes buzzing in your ear. But you know what they say. Squash the mosquito, get the content flowing.
Last but not least, let's talk about money. Because let's be real, we all try and get paid. But here's the thing, don't focus on money. Focus on your mission, your passion, your reason for doing what you do. And trust me guys, the money will come. And when it does, don't be afraid to branch out and try new things. Maybe release an ebook or create a digital course. The sky's the limit, my friends. Remember folks, money can't buy you happiness, but it can buy you tacos. And that's pretty close. But on a serious note, I want to emphasize the importance of staying true to your passion and not letting the desire of money cloud your judgment.
Money's just a bonus for doing something you love. So keep doing you and the money will follow.
So there you have it folks, the secret to content creating that I wish I knew sooner. Now go out there and be excellent my friends, because we all know what we need to do. So let's just go out there and just do it. And as always, let's get this bread. See you on the other side.